Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back with some fall vibes. If you want to see how I created this look, please do keep watching. Today we're going to dive into my Morphe 3503 palettes. Look at these colors. I'm going to start with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm going to place that over top of my eyelids and blend it out. Like so. All of the brushes being used are from Shopmissa. I'm going to use this tan shade as my transition color. Now I'm going to go into this chocolate brown and blend that into my outer crease. Lightly tapping and blending that in seamlessly. And now I'm going to drink my coffee because that's my business, okay? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm going to jump into this copper shade and I'm going to blend that into that chocolate brown. It's kind of copper and burgundy looking. It just felt like fall. Now I'm going to jump into this brighter burgundy color and I'm going to bring that into the middle of my eye for a little pop. I'm going to blend that all the way into the inner corners. I'm going to go back into this chocolate brown and give it a little bit more definition. Lightly blending. Now I'm going to come in with this. It looks light brown, but it comes off kind of orangey. I'm going to place that right underneath my brow. Not right underneath it, but over top of that burgundy. You see what's going on. You see it. I'm going to come in with this brush that I got from Michaels and I'm going to cut my crease with the Paw Paw Concealer from Shopmissa in the shade Porcelain. When you're cutting your crease, you want to take your time. Do not rush this. If you can rush it and you that skilled, do your thing, boo. But me, I'm going to take my time. And I keep checking the mirror to make sure that it's rounded out the way that I want it to be. And just keep going little by little until you get it to look how you want it. Then I'm not going to clean this off. I'm just going to fill it in right over top of that shadow because ain't nobody got time for that. And I'm tapping this concealer because it does crease and I don't want to set it. So I'm just tapping it, giving myself a good base. Coming back in with this chocolate brown. I'm going to blend out the edges of the crease I just cut. We want everything to look blended and smooth. Coming back in with this burgundy, and I'm doing the same thing. You'll actually see this base start to crease, and I'm just adding all those same colors on this cut crease again, and I'm going to blend it right over. Period. I can't pronounce this, but it's a really good moisturizer from Shopmissa. I'm going to put that on. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I got a little bit of a lupus rash going on, so I'm going to pat this in until it feels a little sticky. I'm going to come in with my Maybelline Fit Me in 322. And I'm also going to use 330. 322 is warm honey. 330 is toffee caramel. And I'm going to put the warm honey down first. And I'm going to blend that out like so. Lightly tapping. I'm not being rough. Period. Now I'm going to take the 330 in toffee caramel, and I'm going to put that around my neck, my chin, around my hairline. And blend that out. Now I'm going to use the Paw concealer in porcelain, and I'm going to put this on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my chin, underneath my eyes, and my forehead to highlight these areas. I'm going to move these around with a smaller brush because it dries so quickly. Once I get it warmed up on the skin and moving around, I'm going to take my same foundation brush with whatever foundation is left, and I'm going to blend this out. Now I'm going to set with the AOA Perfect Setting Powder in beige. I got this sponge from Shopmissa as well. It's so soft and bendable. You can get it up against the side of your nose and get all those little small spaces. It's perfect. And it was $1. Now we're going to contour with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. From light to medium, we're going to snatch these cheekbones and get into this button nose. Okay. These sculpting brushes are from Shopmissa as well. We're going to start off with the cheekbones. Y'all know my baby's always in the back, chilling. We're going to get this hairline. And really, contouring is just bringing color back into your face and dimension. I like taking my nose contour all the way up into my brows, like so. Do not put a whole lot of powder on here because you're going to be out there looking like a fool. You hear me? Don't you do it. Now you're going to blend this out lightly. You don't want any lines showing. You want it to be clean and seamless. Period. I got this Nicka K blush palette in Pink Crush from my local beauty supply store. I'm going to be using this shade here, and I'm going to bring my blush upward into my hairline to make sure these cheekbones stay looking lifted. Like so. And I'm going to put a little bit on my nose because I'm a doll baby like that. Period. And I'm going to sip some more of my coffee because that's my business. I'm going to use the Benefit Brow Micro Filling Pen and touch up my brows just a little bit. This is the BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlighter Palette. Y'all already know this is my favorite. I've had this palette for years and she's still giving me life. People don't like highlighter no more, but I still love it. And I'm going to use it until I can't use it no more. I'm going to do the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose. I'm not giving y'all the finger. I am sorry. I'm going to do my chin, my 5 head that I love. And now I'm going to highlight my brow bone. It's just going to give the look that, look at that. Look. Do you see it? You see what's going on? I'm going to take this gold glitter, put that in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to sweep away any of that pressed powder that I had left over. Look at the face. She's sitting beat for the gods. I don't need these jewels, but we're going to put them on these eyes anyway because I'm extra. I got my e.l.f. Cosmetics H2O proof liner pen. And I'm going to do a quick wing liner. I always start on the outer corners first, and then I connect the inner corner. Take your time, take your time. I was singing some Doja Cat, been like this. That's my jam. All of this is from Shopmissa. He grabs all those little bottom lashes. Period. My kids thought I didn't see them. Child, I see y'all back there. I'm taking another gel liner from Shopmissa in dark brown. And I'm going to line these soup coolers, baby. We doing fall looks. We got to have that chocolate deep brown lip. It's just, you got to have it. I'm going to take my Forever Matte Lipstick by Ruby Kisses in the shade Dune. And I'm going to put that in the inside. And I'm going to, blot that together. You see what it's giving. Then I'm going to go over top of that with the LA Colors High Shine Gloss in Fresh. It's giving. You see it. These lashes are from Amazon. 25 millimeter. You already know. Big blinks. It's the only way to go. So I'm going to brush out this wig. This is the Outre wig, Kamiyah in Strawberry Blonde. Get into the blend. You see it. We don't have to edit over here. We get in close with the camera because we're not scared. Hello, brow. I do this. This is my passion. Here are some high quality photos that I took myself for Instagram. If you do makeup, invest in those lights. Get that backdrop. Get that green screen. And do them photos up, boo. If you like this video, give me a like. Subscribe for more. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.